Hello. Okay lang, oh.
Okay.
Yan, naandito po kami ngayon sa may opisina po ng Epic Homes. Good morning, good morning, good morning naman po sa inyo. Kasapang ko ngayon ang aking apo at ang aking anak na nakatira po dito sa may Brentwood. Laki ng bunga nga. Ano? Parang mas pang ano ito talaga, pang bago mag-asawa lang to, no? Ayan. Maganda. Ano siya, oh? Kahit na pinturahan na lang niya, hindi na kailangan ng kisa-kisame. Pwede. Kahit di muna niya ipagawa. Kaya lang yung
Maliit pa
tiles.
sa CR.
Oo.
Ganito lang yung CR natin dati. Bago ito.
Oo. Mumurahin lang talaga. Parang dito 200 lang.
Mabalik pa tayo doon. Hatid ko muna kayo sa bahay.
Yung itaas. Akyat tayo sa itaas. Ay.
Yan lang yung itaas. Ay, ayun na pala.
gave us a kiss. He gave us a kiss back. Good job blowing a kiss.
Hi guys, so yung kapatid ko po tumatawa.
1, 2. Open, shut, open, shut.
Nagka-clap-clap na siya.
Open, shut,
Open shut.
put them in your lap, lap, lap. Make them crawl, make them crawl. Right up to you.
Okay na?
Okay. Dali na, dali na. Please, please.
You're happy and you know it, and you're really and you know it's not for me. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it,
Tuwang-tuwa siya. Ay! Hooray!
Yuka, naka-record ka.
Can you point to the dog? Good job. What does a dog say? Let's pretend to be dogs. Good job. Can you
Kyra!
cat?
Say hi! Hi!
Pointing to the cat.
Okay na?
A cat say.
Okay na?
Yeah.
Ma! Okay na?
Jumping, jumping, jumping. You're jumping, you're jumping, you're jumping. That was so much fun. Great job. Does a shoe go on my head? No. No, no, no. Can you shake your head no? No. No. A shoe doesn't. Puppy, want the ball? Yes. Yes. Can you nod yes? Puppy wants the ball. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. I want the ball. Yes.
Puro na lang, yes, yes, yes. Ang dami na.
Tignan mo yung reaction ni, ano, si Rara.
How big is baby? So big. Can you put your arms up? Arms up. Arms up. How big is baby? So big. Good job.
Yay!
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Where is the bird?
Inantok na.
Can you say I don't know? I don't know. Can you do that?
Mata ang sinasabi.
I don't know.
Kasali ka.
I don't know. I don't know. Let's call him to come out. Say bird with me. Bird. Where
Guys,
are you? Bird. Oh, the bird was in the tree. Now he came out. He was in the tree. Slowly, slowly, very slowly creeps the garden snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly up the wooden rail.
Daya.
quickly, very quickly runs a little mouse. Quickly, quickly, very
Oh, ano?
quickly to his little house. That was fun. Let's do it again. Slowly, slowly, very slowly.
Nahititignan ako.
Ano? Aha. Ano? Ano?
Let's go ride, jump in Hello, we're waving, waving. Waving, 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 waving. We're waving. Now we stop. Did you stop? Good job. Let's try again.
Malapit na siya.
Oh.
Maakyat.
Pakyat ng pakyat.
Yung anak mo nag-floor na.
Akyat bahay na.
Sige na, tama na.